Hey guys, this is Abhishek from GadgetShoes.com, and today we are here and it is approximately 11. Okay, it is 11:50 as of now, as per the time which you can see over there. So it is 11:50 and the iPhone 6 and 6 Plus are going to be on sale today. Within the next 10 minutes, the counter has already started, and I'm right now in GK Market in Delhi, Greater Kailash 1, and this is iZenka store where people have lined up to buy the iPhone. They have already made the payment and now they are going to buy the iPhone right now, and I can just show you the craze, how many people have actually gathered to buy the new iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. So let me just turn the camera around and show you all those people who are here. So the queue of all the people starts from here. They are very excited to buy the new iPhone. As you can see, these are the people who are going to buy the new iPhone 6 or 6 Plus, who are waiting in the queue. They are waiting for your turn, and this is the store from where they are going to buy this. This is iZenka in Greater Kailash GK1. We have all these people over there who are waiting for their turn to buy an iPhone, and here we have the store entry. I think the first guy will... You are the first one who will go? Okay. So which iPhone you are planning to buy?
664.
664 GB. And which color variant you are opting for?
Space gray.
Space gray. Okay. So most probably he will be the first guy to buy, and you have made the payment already?
Yeah, already done.
Okay, cool. So these are all the people who are planning to buy the iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. A lot of people, not that much which I have seen last year for iPhone 5s, but pretty good in terms of the numbers, as they have already made the payment, and iPhone 6 also cost slightly more now. Anyways, so here we have the screen where the timer was going on. The timer has stopped and they are just about to enter, and this is the kind of situation which we have. Again, it is kind of haphazard. It's not that much organized, but the queue is already organized for all those who are planning to buy the iPhone 6 or 6 Plus. We do have some new people over there who are going to make the booking, especially to buy an iPhone. So this is the new queue where the people are standing in the queue to actually book an iPhone. Okay, let me just, excuse me. So you are planning to buy which iPhone? iPhone 6
Plus 16 GB.
6 Plus. So you have already made the booking as of now? Or you are going to, basically you have already given the amount?
Yeah.
Okay. So, and how much you have paid for it? How much you have paid for it?
15.
Okay. Okay, great. So these are the other people who are standing in the second queue. They have already made all the payment and they're going to buy. And then we have some other people coming over here as well. This is the kind of crowd you have over here. And approximately 12 minutes are remaining as of now before these people can actually enter the store and buy the new iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. And we have some traffic going on over there. Let me just go on this side. And we have some enthusiasts who are also planning to buy an iPhone 6. I'm sure he will buy an iPhone, or he might steal.
I'm here to buy Plus. Yeah.
Which model you are planning to
Plus.
buy? 6 Plus. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, so this is the kind of crowd which we have over here. The Delhi crowd. All of them are awake, and this is the current scene. So let's wait and let them go inside, and then we will show you how it happens. Yeah, hi Sania. I think you are the first customer in Delhi.
Yes,
from the iZenka store you have bought
Yes.
the iPhone 6.
Yes, I am.
So which version you have bought, if you can
I
show
bought
us?
the champagne one. It's
Okay.
iPhone 6 and it's 64 GB.
Okay, cool.
Yes.
So how much you actually paid for this one?
Around 62,000 something. Yes.
So what do you do? What do you do?
I'm a student. I just finished my graduation.
So since how long you have been waiting in this line to actually get your iPhone?
Around 2
6?
hours and 3-4 cups of coffees.
Okay.
I've been waiting.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you are excited about it?
Very excited. I can't wait to put my SIM in, connect it and start.
Okay. So what else basically you think that when you actually decided to buy the iPhone 6,
Right.
what was the main reason, like why you want an iPhone 6, not any other phone maybe in the market?
Because I hadn't used an iPhone before this. I was using another phone and everyone's been waiting. Everyone's made a big hype about it. And if I wanted to buy a new phone, then I wanted the latest one. And what's
Okay.
better than Apple?
So from which phone you are migrating to iPhone 6?
I'm migrating from BlackBerry Q10.
Okay. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
What's that?